This is Candy Blossom. You gotta accept it. It's Candy Blossom. It's the best fruit in the game right now. You gotta accept the trade. It's literally Candy Blossom. You gotta accept the trade. Please accept it. It's literally Candy Blossom. A freaking Candy Blossom. Just accept it for cute. Please, it's Candy Blossom. It's Candy Blossom. It's freaking Candy Blossom. It's a Candy Blossom. It's a Candy Blossom. It's so cute, even tiny, but it's so expensive. It's so cute, by the way. It's very expensive. To tell you, I'm gonna check the price right now. How dare you? It's 2.5 trillion. Like, whoa!